Welcome back to Module 4. In this module, I'll show you how to create tooltips for your app using PagePilot. First, visit the Fab Builder website. Go to Products, select PagePilot, and click on Try It Free. Once you're on the PagePilot dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Tooltips. Now, move to the top right corner and click on Create Tooltip. Enter your tooltip name, select your device and language, then proceed. A new pop-up will appear. Here, you can either start from scratch or choose a template. I'll begin by selecting a template. Now we're on the editor board. Let's start customizing the template. You can change the colors according to your preference. You can also adjust the tooltip size, edit the text and content, and change the colors to match your design. Note: if you want to add or customize more elements, click on Layout. Here, you'll find all the available customization options. Now, let's get back to the main flow. Click on Behavior. From here, you can change the tooltip position. Under Trigger Behavior, you can select how the tooltip should be triggered from the given options. In Trigger Label, you can modify the icon and also change its color if needed. Next, go to Animation, where you can adjust the animation style according to your preference. That's it. Now, click on the preview icon at the top right corner to preview your tooltip. Based on your selected trigger, when the cursor moves closer to the target area, the tooltip will appear. Go back to the editor and click on Publish. Here, you can add your app page link and also edit the date, if required. Finally, click on Publish and the integration page will appear. Simply add the link to connect the tooltip with your app, and your tooltip will now be live. In the next module, we'll learn how to create pages for your website using PagePilot. See you in the next video.